And we have conclusive proof now that nails Republic TV's lies on the TRP fixing racket. The witness, who is a Mumbai resident, has said that he used to get paid 400 rupees on a monthly basis to keep the Republic TV channel on. The witness, in a statement to Mumbai police, has named two people, Dinesh Vishwakarma and Vishal Bhandari. The duo had come to his house to check the barometer reading and asked him if he watches Republic TV. When the witness said no, they offered him money to keep the channel on. As of now, a total of 4 people have been arrested, including Vishal Bhandari and Sanjeev Rao, who help paying households to watch Republic TV. This is coming just a day after Mumbai police has made a sensational revelation, claiming that along with 2 Marathi channels, Republic TV cheated Bharat by paying for TRPs. Republic TV's editor, promoters and those involved in the case are now soon going to be summoned by the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police has filed an FIR in which they have slapped section 420 that amounts to cheating and dishonesty. Vidya is now joining us live for the very latest. Vidya, this is huge. Everything that we've accessed at the moment is nailing the lies of Republic TV, that is accusing India Today, but that name has been cleared by Mumbai police. Even the BAC has gone ahead and mentioned Republic TV. In fact, the witnesses have said that it is indeed Republic TV who was paying them and not India Today TV. This is conclusive proof. Question now remains is, when will the summons be issued to the Republic TV owners, promoters and the editor-in-chief?
Well, it could be any minute now. In fact, the statements of people involved, remember, statements of people who were receiving money, statements of people who were giving the money has been recorded and are still in the procedure of being recorded. Apart from that, those people who had been giving money, getting the links to the owners of the channel is something that the Mumbai police really has to do, and which is the reason why the statement recording at this juncture is one of the most important procedure that the Mumbai police is doing. After recording of each and every statement very carefully, which is being done, after that the summons would be sent and statements of those people, because according to Mumbai police, it's not a small company unlike the other 2 companies like the Fakt Marathi and the Box Cinema. Those are very small channels. The owners themselves were, handling out the entire 400 rupees to various people. The transaction to the amount of 80 lakh rupees has already been, found by Mumbai police. However, because Republic is a huge, setup, the people from the Republic who were the ones who were giving money to Vishal and these people to pay the ultimate consumers, that's something that they have to find out. Apart from that, who ordered those Republic people to give that money is something that the Mumbai police has to find out, which is the reason why this entire investigation will take a little while, but Mumbai police is very sure that they will be able to find out who ultimately was the reason behind this entire
Vidya, continue to stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.